What a magnificent view of Rockwell and Makati City! Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a great find, a prime 3-bedroom condominium unit located here in the Proscenium, which is a prime 3.6 hectare development which adds to the 15.5 hectare Rockwell Center development. This property has a floor area of 241 square meters and 3 bedrooms as well as 2 car parking spaces. This property also gives you great access to a 5th floor amenity deck, a retail row, even a performing arts theater, and the Rockwell Powerplant Mall that you can even see from the balcony of your unit. You also have a great view of Makati City as well. We're taking a different approach for this tour. We're beginning right here at the balcony, which is one of the nicest amenities of this property. It's a great size. You also have a very sturdily built tempered glass barrier here with stainless steel railings. And let's head on in. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. You have an open concept plan for your living space and dining area. This property is already furnished for the entire living and dining space. And I love that there's so much space here to just relax and entertain guests. You also have a great view of your windows here. In terms of the direction of the property, this is facing the west. That's why you have these beautiful sunset views over Makati City. You also have ample additional space right here for additional storage and for displaying items. In terms of the inclusions for this property, the living room set and the dining room set, as well as the beds for 2 bedrooms are included. The only items not included for this property are certain cabinetry and the paintings. From your living space, let's now take a look at your elegant dining area. You already have a tempered glass dining table here and seating for 6 people, as well as a modern light fixture to complement the entire space. You also have a fantastic view of your living space and balcony from here. And now it's time to explore your main kitchen. Let's go. So your kitchen area is divided into 2 spaces. So you have your main kitchen space right here, where you already have a SMEG branded range hood, induction cooktop, as well as an oven. You have a stainless steel sink over here, splash tile complementing the dark marble design for the countertop. And I love the laminate as well. you already have a SMEG branded refrigerator and even a wine chiller right here. And this is the second half of the kitchen space. You could consider this an additional auxiliary kitchen area where you can have additional storage and even additional appliances in the future. And this is where you have your access heading towards the hallway. So this is a great additional access way for the property, because if you're bringing in, for example, groceries, they don't have to go through the main door. Okay. And right here, you have your staff room. And for this property, you also have an ample staff room. It's already been set up with this frame for 2 beds. And then you have additional storage. And let's explore this additional service area. This is important because you have already a washer dryer included. Okay? And this is where you have the water heater for the property. And you also have the staff bathroom right here. So it's important that this area is well organized, since your staff will also be in charge of taking care of your property for you. Now we're back here in your living and dining space. Here's another angle. I am loving how relaxing and elegant the entire space feels, especially as we roll on through the late afternoon. This property has a very understated, refined, and minimalist feel. And to give you an orientation, this door is the main door into the property. And then as you go in, you immediately have access to your powder room right here. You have quality finishes from the countertop, and even the sink and water closet are Duravit branded. It's now time to explore the 3 bedrooms in the property. Let's go. From the main door, let's explore now your first bedroom. I love the spacing. You see that you already have an area where you can have a couch, and then room enough for a large bed, and even space enough for a working desk right here, with an oversized window giving you a fantastic view of the Rockwell Center. Here's another view. You can see the mall, the Powerplant Mall from here. And the room has an irregular shape, but it works because it's been designed to accommodate specific types of furniture. So the bed there, and space here for your couch. And then there's even ample space here if you want to have like a display table. And here you have shoe storage. And over here, your ensuite bathroom. With indirect lighting, I love the color of the tiles for the shower area. You have a tempered glass enclosure as well. An elegant marble design as well for the countertop, and Duravit for your sink and water closet. And I'd also like to point out the flooring for the property, which is a light gray wooden design, which is great in terms of complementing different types of furniture in terms of the color. You can have a dark themed furniture or light themed furniture, and both would work well with this flooring. And on this side, you have storage, which maximizes the entrance towards the room. Okay. I'd also like to point out that small touches to the property, from the white baseboard and even the design of the doors add to a refined aesthetic. And now here we have your second bedroom. Now this is the only room among the three which doesn't have a bed. It's up to you how you want to furnish it. You can even set it up as a home office or entertainment room, or if you wish, as a bedroom. I love the ceiling height. You already have a Samsung inverter split type air conditioning unit. It already comes with curtains along with blackout curtains, and you have a view of the amenity deck from here. You can see the basketball court and the swimming pool as well. And here you have cabinetry built into the wall, seats lighted. And here you have an ensuite bathroom. I'm gonna step in so you can appreciate the size. Once again, you have a Duravit branded sink and water closet and a tempered glass shower enclosure, already with a privacy curtain. Okay, now let's take a look at your third bedroom, which is your master or primary bedroom. So this is the largest of the bedrooms, and upon entry, you immediately have a view of the king-sized bed. It's large enough to have 2 bedside tables and space enough even for a home office desk. You also have so much natural light here and windows giving you a view once again of the amenity deck space. Now, I'd also like to point out that every area has been maximized. So you have additional storage right here. And on this side. So once again, these are lighted cabinets. And right here, you have your master bathroom. Already comes with a Duravit branded alcove bathtub. And then Duravit once again for the sink space. You have a dual vanity sink space with an elegant marble design for the countertop and a tempered glass shower enclosure for your shower area right here. And to your left, you have your water closet and even a urinal. And you have additional storage right here for toiletries. In terms of the orientation, this is facing the east side of the property. So your master or primary bedroom enjoys the morning sun. Now let's head on back towards your main amenity space. And that caps off our quick house tour. Thank you for joining us in this 241 square meter, 3-bedroom prime condominium unit for sale located here in Proscenium. To give you an idea also on the level of this property, this is above the 40th floor already. That's why you have such a fantastic view of the surrounding area here in Makati City. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram and Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.